Oh, hi guys! I brought this LOL that is kinda a bit open because I took a peek because I'm excited. But it's not open yet. I'm gonna zip it here. Oh, and it got 7 surprises. It's not just a LOL, it's a surprise pet. And it's I Spy series. I'm gonna zip it. Zip. Oh no, the zip broken. Just gonna zip it from the other side here. This is so exciting. Zip, zip, zip. Now I'm gonna open it from here. Is there any stickers or like code here? Ooh, not here. Ooh, it's color blue. Oh, there's another zip here. Mom, there's another zip. I got this other zip. I'm gonna zip it. Zip, zip. Oh, okay. Now, the other side won't zip. I'll just do it from here. There. And here, I'm gonna zip it because it broke. Oh, now I can open. Cool, it's blue. I'm gonna open it. Oh, cool. Moms, come here. Guys, look. Oh, it's my first pet. Cool. Yeah, it's a LOL doll pet. And it's I Spy series. And this is like a collar for the pet. I think it is a collar. Or maybe it's a bracelet for me. It can fit me as a bracelet. Mas, it can fit me as a bracelet. And what's this? Oh, there's some coffee. There's some coffee. What's this? I think another. Oh, here's the scooper for the sand. Here's the sand scooper. I think my pet is a bunny. Oh, look, I got this magnifying glass. Here's just some instructions. So, I'll put it here. Oh, here's, I think, the checklist. What's this? I think this is the checklist. I think I got a bunny. I'll see if there's any bunny things. What's this? Oh, I think I got this one because this one's a bunny. This one's a bunny. Okay, I'll put my I Spy. Oh, there's this code. You can't see it because you need the magnifying glass. I'll see. Oh, you can see it with the magnifying. See that? Do you see it? I'm gonna figure the code. I don't know what it is, but there is an answer. What's the answer? Super. What? Can you read it? You can't see it. See, you can't see it. Now you can. Fast. Can you read the answer? There's the answer. Super Sleuth is the answer. I got the coffee, guys. And there's a bunny in it. There's a bunny. And this one's a bunny too. I think I got... I'll check if who I might have got. I think it's Bunny. I got Bunny. I think I got Bunny. Because the things get bunnies in it. Here's the sand pit. I think there's more surprises in here. Oh, I'll see the surprises. What's here? So, I got the code, I got the magnifying glass, I got the scooper, I got the sand and the shoes. Oh, you put this here. Actually, maybe you put this here so you can like carry it around, I think. Do you? Or do you not? Maybe like... I can put it down, but I think it goes here. I'll figure it out later. Okay, I'll open the pet. if I got Bun Bunny or not. Huh? I did get her. I got Bun Bunny. Mom, last did I get Bun Bunny? So cool. Is there anything in here? Okay, there's nothing. She's so cute. You can use this to make her drink. So cool. But I still need to open this. Oh, there's also a zip here. It's white line, so I'm just gonna peel it. I'm gonna do it in the other side. Okay, I'll just peel it brokenly. Okay, on the still mauve cover. There's still a cover on it. There's the cover. Here's the bunny. These are footprints, but it's dog footprint, so a footprint doesn't fit. And it says LOL doll. And there's a poop because it's a sandpit. Now, how do you open this? Maybe you press this. Oh, you do press it. Here's the sand. Moms, look, the sand has a cover, and here's the sand. I'm gonna dig it using the digger. The sand, okay. I'm gonna put the sand here if I dig it. I think the boots are here. The shoes are, and the accessories or headbands. I'm gonna dig it and put it in here. I scooped one. Okay, I'm gonna scoop another scoop. Oh, I see something. I think I see something. I see something. Dig. What is it? I think it's a headband. Oh, yes. This is so slimy. It's a ribbon. A little ribbon headband. So cool. The digger is so cool. And it's got here the sand. It's kinda slimy. I never seen like this kind of sand. The one you can squish and also get slime in it and kinda clay doughy. Okay, I don't think I should squish it around because I'm on my bed. I'll just squish it around somewhere else. I'll just close it because I'm on my bed. Not on my table, and there's sand. Okay. Close. I think it's closed enough. I'll just pat. So the mold will get on it. And mold. Now here's her drink. You can drink it. It is not really some drink in it. Okay, she can drink tea, and I'll put her headband on. So cute! So her headband is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what this is for. What is this for? Mom, can you come and help me? What do you use this for? It's not a collar because it's too big for her. Yeah, that's not for her. Oh, yeah. So I'll just put it on later. Guys, I'm gonna put this trash here because I'm gonna throw it later. And these instructions. Okay, I'll show you again who I got. This one's the ultra rare one. But I got Bunny. Here she is. So this sand is so sandy. The bunny, her headband, I can put it off with the magnifying glass, and the scooper, coffee or tea. Oh, I forgot the code. Now I'll just put it and add this here. And this here, so I can just carry it around. Now it's in. Bye, guys.